fix chat heads in Messenger not working. So if you want to fix chat heads in Messenger not showing or not working, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After having a stable internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you can go with search. Under search, you need to search for Messenger. After searching for Messenger, if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go and update your Messenger. After updating, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your Messenger application. After opening your Messenger, you need to tap on a profile in which you would like to fix the chat heads, and then go with the bottom right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now from here, you need to go with settings. Under settings, if you scroll down, then you will have chat heads option. Or if you don't have chat heads, you will have bubbles. So you need to tap on bubbles or chat heads. And here you can select all conversations can bubble, which will fix your chat heads. You will get chat heads for all of your chats. So select all conversations can bubble and then tap on turn on, and that's it. That's how you can fix your chat heads in Messenger not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.